We will start with basic pharmacology, which is chapter 1. Pharmacology is the study of how chemicals and biological systems interact. When chemicals are used to treat diseases, we refer to these chemicals as drugs or medications. This field is rapidly expanding as there are new drugs being developed all the time to treat various forms of cancer or to attack new and upcoming superbugs, which we'll discuss more later. Your understanding of these basic principles of pharmacology will help you in your role as a surgical technologist because you will be mixing and measuring medications on your sterile field and delivering them to the surgeon. So it's very important that you understand what you are handling. Drugs today come from these three main sources. We will talk about each individually. First, natural sources. Plants is one of the natural drug sources, and once nearly the only one. They have become less and less common. Alternative medicine is again highlighting their importance. Atropine and morphine both come from plants. Morphine actually comes from seeds of the opium poppy. Minerals is another natural drug source. They're often used in pharmacologic agents. Sylvanine cream contains silver salts and is used in burn dressings. Also antacids such as Tums. These contain calcium. Animals are another natural source of drugs, particularly hormones. The early form of insulin came from both porcine and bovine sources. Chemical synthesis is the second source of drugs. Drugs in this category are one of two types. They can be either synthetic drugs like Demerol, which are put together wholly from lab chemicals, and also semi-synthetic drugs, which are natural substances that are extracted, purified, and changed by the chemical process, such as amoxicillin, which comes from a natural mold. Biotechnology is the third and final drug source. Produces proteins from bacteria, genetic engineering combining with DNA technology, producing proteins from bacteria by altering the DNA of bacteria by insertion of other DNA. Advantages are you can create proteins without animals, which then can avoid the adverse side effects of animal-derived drugs. Humulin, alteplase, and growth hormone are among the drugs produced by biotechnology.